Hi everyone, it's John. It's freaking Friday. Shoot, what the heck is today's date? Oh well, I don't know. It's Friday. I think it's the 17th? Shoot, I'm not sure what the hell today's date is. I just want to show you my friends. We got 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What are they? I think, are they pigeons or are they doves? There's 7 of them. 1, 2, 3. 3 on one side, and then 1, 2, and then 2. 3, 2, 2. That's interesting. Huh. 3, and then 2 on the pole, and then 2 on the right. And then there's some other tiny little birds up there. I don't know what they are either. Are they finches? I think they're finches. Well, just some birds hanging out on the wires across the street from my house. Birds are watching me.